Orange, if you answer this question, the world will explode!
Well, then I'm not gonna answer it. But by saying that, you did answer it! Oh, crap!
Hey, what happened to the lights?
Wow, Andrew, this is the best smartphone party you ever threw.
灯怎么了？
I will go get the TV.
Miss Grace, why did the lights turn off?
It's probably a little power outage.
Thank you for shopping with us today. Come again soon. Oh no, the power went out. We are going to have to close the store down early.
I'm sure no one noticed that giant blue explosion, right?